Tell me, Nana. Yes. So very good evening to one and all. Today we are going to discuss the place value. So in previous class we have been discussed the face value and all other topics. And if you miss our previous videos, go through with that. And if you miss our previous classes, we have a YouTube channel. In YouTube, you can just search as Ashok Navodaya. You will get all the videos of that. So thank you very much. Now, children, tell me what is the face value of 5? So the face value in the sense it is just same value. It is the just same value, that is nothing but 5. Now we need to understand the place value. It is very important to understand that place value, right? Ippudu manam place value ante ento chuddam. So here you can see, guys, place value in the sense in which place the digit has been taken place. ఏ ప్లేస్ లో అది ప్లేస్ అయి ఉందో ఆ ప్లేస్ కి మనం వాల్యూ అనేది మనం చూసుకోవాలి. సో ఎలా చూసుకోవాలి అంటే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ యు ఆర్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ మెథడ్స్. చాలా మంది చాలా మెథడ్స్ మీరు నేర్చుకొని ఉంటారు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ హియర్ ద ఈజీ వే, ద షార్ట్ కట్ వే టు రిమెంబర్ ద ప్లేస్ వాల్యూ. ఓకే, సో బిఫోర్ ఐ go for it, now let me go to some concept called the power concept. So you have to, everyone should know the power. So what is the power value? Here I am writing, just you can see here, this is 10. So I am taking base as a 10. Now I am taking 10 power 0. Now tell me, Nana, what is the value of 10 power 0? What is the value of 10 power 0? Cheppandi. 10 power 0 value enta? What is the value of 10 power 0? What is the value of 10 power 0? So 10 power 0 value is what? So Vamshi, very good, Nana. So 10 power 0 value is nothing but 1. If you are putting the power to 0 to any value, the value become 1. అంటే ఏ దానికైనా పవర్ కనుక మనం 0 పెడితే ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే 1 అవుతుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, if I am taking 20, if I am putting 20 power 0, of course that value is also been 1. If you are putting power 0 to anyone, the value is 1. This is very important. Now tell me, the 10 power 0 is nothing but 10 power 0 is nothing but what? The 10 power 0 I am writing here like this. So 10 power, this is the power. So how can I use here power? You know, this is 0. Just you can say because it's some kind of text we have to write now. That's why I am using power like this. I am using power like this. You just understand 10 power 0. So ila rastunnanante artham entante, just you have to understand that I am writing like this because it's a system. We have some limitations. That's why ila rastunna 10 power 0. So 10 power 0 in the sense it is a 1. So ila raste dan meaning artham entante, if I am writing like this, so if I am writing like this, you just understand it's a 10 power 0. So what is the 10 power 0? 10 power 0 is 1. Now tell me, what is the 10 power 1? What is the value of 10 power 1? Tell me, Nana, what is the value of 10 power 1? 10 to the power of 1. So yesterday I have already given the table for this also. No, 10 to the power value is nothing but it's a 10. Okay, it's nothing but 10. Now next 10 to the power of I am writing next 10 to the power of 2. Next I am writing 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 is nothing but what? It will be the 10 into 10. So 2 tens we are multiplying here. 10 to the power of 2 means 2 tens we are multiplying. The value is 100. Excellent, Nana. Now what is the value of 10 power 3? What is the value of 10 power 3 here? Very good. So here 10 power 3 in the sense 10, we have to multiply the 10 3 times. So 10 into 10 into 10. So the value here we are having 1000, right? So what is the value of 10 to the power of 4? What is the value of 10 to the power of 4? Tell me, all of you, what is the 10 to the power of 4? So simply we have 10,000. Am I right? 10,000. But how to write the 10,000? You already know we have to put the comma in Indian system. In Indian system, we have to put the comma after every 3 digits. After every 3 digits, we have to put the comma in Indian system. That's why after 3 digits, here I am putting comma 1,000. Now here you can see 10,000 in a sense there are 4 zeros. After 1 we are having 4 zeros. So you know already according to our Indian system, after 3 digits we need to put comma. After 3 digits we have to put the comma. This is called 10,000. Okay, this is called 10,000. దీన్ని మనం 10,000 అంటాం. Now let us say 10 to the power of 5. Very important children, very carefully listen. 10 to the power of 5. So 10 to the power of 5. So 10 to the power of 5 in the sense how we can write? We can write 1. After that we have to put the 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So what is the value? So we have to understand the value. You know already in Indian system, every 3 digits we have to put the comma. Afterwards, every 2 digits we have to put the comma. అంటే ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఎలా చేస్తారంటే ప్రతి 3 డిజిట్స్ తర్వాత కామా పెడతారు రైట్ సైడ్ నుంచి, తర్వాత ప్రతి 2 digits కి కామా పెట్టుకుంటూ వస్తారు. ఆఫ్టర్ దాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ ద కామా ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ 2 digits. ఇండియన్ సిస్టమ్ లో ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఫస్ట్ నుంచి 3 digits కి కామా ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత నుంచి ప్రతి 2 digits కి కామా ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ 1,000. 1 lakh. Entirely it will be the 1 lakh. Okay, now I am writing 10 to the power of 6. So now 10 to the power of 6. So 10 to the power of 6 in the sense 1. After that, how many zeros we need to put? We have to put 6 zeros. Very important. We have to put 6 zeros. But how to write it? It's very important. After every 3 zeros, we have to put the comma. And again, after every 2 digits, okay, after every 2 digits, we have to put the comma. So here after every 2 digits we have to put the comma. Very good. So what is the value, Nana? What is the value of it? దీని ఏమంటాం చెప్పండి? What is the value? No. This is called 1 lakh. 10 to the power of 5 means 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. Okay. మరి ఇదెంత? 10 to the power of 6 అని రాశాను కదా, దీని వాల్యూ ఎంత అంటారు? ఇక్కడ చూడండి 10 to the power of 1 is 10, 10 to the power of 2 is 100, 10 to the power of 3 is 1000, 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000, 10 to the power of 5 is 1 lakh. But what about the 10 to the power of 6? Very good, excellent. Charan is also saying it is a 10 lakhs. The value is 10 lakhs. Okay, it is a 10 lakhs. Okay, so on we can able to observe the same thing here in same way. Now, right now I want to, so we have to this is very important table you have to learn up to 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 17 or 20. Up to 10 to the power of 20 you have to learn. I have given a table in maths. You have to learn all these things. So how we can call it as in national system, Hindu system, and how we can call it as a international system. International system lo ela call chestamo, Indian system lo ela call chestamo nenu cheppedam jarigindi. You have to be very careful. Right. Now, very important children. Now we have to, this is what our number. Listen carefully. 5, 6, 7, 8 is our number. This is our number. Okay. Now, okay. Right. So this is what our number. Now I want to find out the place value. So very important. Please listen carefully. Now I want to find out the place value of simply 8. I want to find out the place value of 8. So how can you identify? So you can identify that. Very good, Sai Rohit. You can identify that the first one is 10 to the power of 0. This is what? It is a units place. This is ones, and this is tens, and this is hundreds, and this is thousands. మీరు ఇదే నేర్చుకొని ఉంటారు. సో నేను ఇక్కడ నవోదయలో వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ద వెరీ షార్ట్ కట్ వే. వీఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ ద షార్ట్ కట్ వే దట్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ is 10 to the power of 0. You can take the first digit. Simply I am telling you shortcut way. If it is first digit, you can take the first digit and multiply with 10 to the power of 0. If you want to take the place value of second digit, you have to take it and it's a 10 power 1 and it is a 10 power 3 and it's a 10 power 2 and it is a 10 power 3. So simply I'm telling, in order to find out the place value of 8, it is a first digits. So that is the reason why 8 into 10 to the power of 0, because it's the first value na. That's why you have to put it as 10 to the power of 0. You know already the value of 10 to the power of 0. So what is the value of 10 to the power of 0? All of you tell me. 10 to the power of 0 value is 1. That's why 8 into 1. So 8 into 1 equal to what? 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Simple nana. First కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ కాబట్టి 10 to the power of 0 తీసుకున్నా. ఒకవేళ ఈ డిజిట్ అయితే సిరీస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3. So shortcut way. It's a very simple shortcut way. So in order to find out the place value, first value kabatti you have to multiply it as a 10 to the power of 0. 8 into 10 to the power of 0. Now tell me all of you, now I want the place value. Now I want the place value. Okay, now I want the place value of 7. So now I want to find out the place value of 7. So then simple, it is very simple. First you have to take the seventh one digit. You have to take the digit. The digit is 7 into, we have to multiply with what we have to multiply. The first digit is 10 power 0. The second one is 10 power 1. So that is the reason we have to multiply with the 10 power 1. We have to multiply with the 10 power 1. So what is the 10 power 1 means? 7 into 10 power 1 means what? 10 to the power of 1 means 10. So 7 tens are, how much nana? 7 tens are, it is 70. So the value is 70. The place value of 7 is 70. Okay, now we will go to the finding the place value. Do it very fast nana. Place value of 6. So now I want to find out the place value of 6. So how can you find out nana? Very important. First you have to take the digit. The digit is 6. Again into, this time how much multiply nana? 10 to the power of which digit nana? 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. This is a 10 power 2 series, right? So we have to take 10 power 2. Here we have to take 10 power 2. So 6 into 10 power 2, that is 6 into 10 power 2 value is 10 square. 10 square is nothing but 100. So that is 6 into 100. The value is what? It will be the 600. Now what is the place value of 5 nana? All of you tell me. So place value of 5. So we have to take the place value of 5. Simply 5 into, so we have to, this time what we have to do? 10 to the power of what? 10 to the power of what? 10 power 0, 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the power of 3 we have to take. How much we have to take? 10 to the power of 3. So simply we can say it is 5, 10 power 3 in the sense what? Is 1000. You know, it's very important. We have to put the comma. 1000, right? And equal to 5 into 1000, it will be the 5000. It will be the 5000. We have to put the comma. Okay, so this is called 5000. Now I will give another number. You can tell me the next one. 580721. Now tell me the place value, very important. So place value of some 7. Tell me nana, what is the place value of 7? Tell me nana. First we have to take the digit. First what we have to take? We have to take the digit. What is the digit here? 7. What is the digit here? 7 into place. What is the place it has? 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. 10 power 2. So 10 power 2 in a sense, 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2. So that is equal to value anta nana? 7 into 10 power 2 means 100. 10 power 2 means 100. Totally it is 700. Okay, so this is the way we can take nana. All of you take the screenshot and you have to write in your notes. All of you take the screenshot, Nana. All of you take the screenshot. Yes. 700. Answer is 700. I hope you have been taken the screenshots. Now almost all our time.